Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you are new here, hello and welcome. Today we are going to be playing with the Morphe 35F palette. This is the 35F Fall into Frost palette. It had a little bit of an accident, as you can see. There are two shades that took a bit of a battering. Don't know how, don't know when, and they are a mess, and they're making the palette a mess. So I am tempted to depot those just so it stops causing such a blinking mess every time I take the box out. I don't shake it around, but it seems to be everywhere. We're just going to do one eye today. I have been toying with the idea of just doing a one eye look, just for those of you who enjoy just watching a quick eye tutorial. You're not bothered about the rest of the face as such, so I might do that like once a week. If that is something that you would like, let me know. Okay, so I'm just priming. I'm just using this MAC Studio Finish concealer. So let me zoom you in. I'm not sure which colours I'm going to use yet. Popping in first with that colour. Angled brush, and this little pointy end here is going to stick in to my crease, and I am going to, that's wet still. I'm wondering whether I should have set that. Let me just use this. That is quite a wet. This brush has got a little bit of powder left on it. Pop in that colour just into that crease and it will blend up, and then turn that brush around. Colour has gone up far too high. Far higher than what I wanted it to. Brush with nothing on it. Buff that. The next colour I'm going to go in with, I'm just going to stamp that just on the outer corner. Taking advantage actually of that concealer being sticky. Back to that brush that had nothing on it, I'm just gonna blend. Smaller Morphe brush, I'm gonna pack that darker colour in that inner corner. Look forward, so I just want to see that middle bit bare, just dipping back in that inner corner, darker, that outer as well. I'm going to go in with that shimmer shade there, this colour. I'm rubbish at describing what colours they are, so you can see what colour that is. Oh my god, how beautiful that is. I'm going to take that right up into that crease there, patting it. Jeez, that was a lot. Just going to grab that brush with nothing on it, then back to that smaller brush, blend them two together. Some of that on, I accidentally dragged some of it more towards that inner corner there. Just going to go into that shimmer shade, highlight that brow bone there, some into that inner corner. I'm going to pop into the teeniest little bit of black just to darken that outer corner. And then teeniest bit just in that inner there. Fine liner brush, up into that, roll the brush around into that gold, and I'm going to spray the brush. I'm just going to works. I think I'm just going to go in with that white shade at the very beginning, just a teeny bit just on that centre. Okay, I'm just going to do my eyebrow and pop a little black liner in my waterline. Okay, I popped a little bit of black on my bottom. I smudged it around, and I've just dipped my brush into the black, and I'm just smudging along that eyeliner on the top and bring it out just a tad. And just a teeny tiny little shadow wing going on there. I say just tiny, and then I dip in some more. I regret doing that there, I reckon. Pop some mascara on and dip into that deep burgundy and get that. Use that to smudge that black eyeliner, and I'm going to follow that along, I think. This colour is beautiful. This is a proper, when I think of autumn, yes. And I'm just going to go back in with that original, into that original colour, buff that along a bit. Kind of wish I used that on the top now. Okay, I'm going to pop some bottom mascara on and some lashes, and I'll be back with the finished look. And just pop some lashes on, not very well, they're not stuck on very well. I don't want to stick them down too well because I'm just taking them straight back off again, and I poked myself in the eye with my phalange. So this is the finished look. I do regret putting that gold there. I wish I'd either put the whole gold on the entire lid or just left it out completely. I love this bottom shade. It's a really nice colour, and as you can see, I obviously extended it along with that black liner. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you like these more quick, just single eye looks, or if you like to see a whole face. I am here for you every Monday and Friday. I'm toying with adding in a Wednesday, having Wednesday as just the eye look. So let us know what you think, and I will see you all next time. Bye!